Good morning, students. In last class, we discussed the random variable and types of random variables, both discrete and continuous random variables, and some problems on discrete random variable. Now, I am going to explaining the miscellaneous problems on discrete random variable, in which the major contents are discrete probability distribution, mean, and variance. Coming to this problem, a random variable capital X, its random variable is discrete random variable, is defined as sum of the numbers on the faces. Sum of the numbers on the faces when two dice are thrown at a time. Two dice are thrown at a time. Then find discrete probability distribution, mean, and variance of the random variable. Coming to the solution, two dice are thrown, then the sample space S consists of, here S is, sample space S is, set of all 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, so on, 6, 6, that is 36 elements, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, similarly 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Next 3, along with 4, along with 5, along with 6. That is 36 elements. Total 36 elements. In first element, the sum is 2, 1 plus 1. In second element, sum is 3, 1 plus 2. Next 1 plus 3, 4. But here, the sum of the numbers on the faces. Sum of the numbers on the faces. So here, let capital X assigns the sum of the numbers on the faces. 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 That is, capital X is equal to 2, 3, 4, so on, 12. 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 1 plus 3, 4, 6, 6, 12. For sum 2, it is denoted by P of X equal to 2. For sum 2, P of X is equal to is only one case, 1, 1, out of 36, 1 by 36. For 3, P of X equal to 3, 1, 2 and 2, 1, 2 by 36. For 4, P of X equal to 4. For 4, 1, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3 by 36, like that. Similarly, for sum 11 and so on, for sum 11, P of X equal to sum 12. P of X equal to 12 is 1 by 36. 1 by 36. For sum 2, for sum 3, 4, 5, like that, up to 12. Then, its discrete probability distribution is, a discrete probability distribution is, its discrete probability distribution is, it consists of two rows. One is random variable, second one is its corresponding probabilities. Here X value is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. For 2, 1 by 36. For 3, 2 by 36. For 4, 3 by 36. For 5, 5 means, sum 5 means 1, 4, 2, 3, 3, 2, 4, 1. So 4 by 36. For sum 6, 1, 5, 2, 4, 3, 3, 4, 2, 5, 1. So 5 by 36. For sum 11, for sum 7, 1, 6, 2, 5, 3, 4, 4, 3, 5, 2, 6, 1. 6 by 36. For sum 8, last element along with 1 comma 6. So 2 comma 6, first element 2 comma 6, 3 comma 5, 4 comma 4, 5 comma 3, 6 comma 2. So 5 by 36. Next 4 by 36, 3 by 36, 2 by 36 and 1 by 36. This is the first one, discrete probability distribution. Discrete probability distribution. And see here, observe these probabilities. Each probability is more than 0. And sum of the probabilities 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 so on 1. That is 36 by 36. Sum of the probabilities is equal to 1. So it satisfies the two conditions of probability distribution. So it is called discrete probability distribution. Probability distribution. Next one, coming to the second bit, it's mean. Mean is equal to, and the symbol is mu or E of x is equal to sigma xi into p of xi. Sigma xi into p of xi. That is equal to 2 into 1 by 36 plus 3 into 2 by 36 element into its corresponding probability 4 into 3 by 36 plus 5 into 4 by 36 so on. Last 11 into 2 by 36 plus 12 into 1 by 36 sigma xi into p of xi. That is the meaning of mean. Mean mu equal to E of x equal to sigma xi into p of xi. That is equal to 252 by 36. 252 by 36. Its value is 7. Mean mu equal to 7. Then coming to the next one, variance. Variance. Sigma square is equal to E of x square minus mu square. E of x square means sigma xi square into p of xi minus mu square. Sigma xi square into p of xi means 2 square into 1 by 36 plus 3 square into 2 by 36 plus 4 square into 3 by 36 so on plus 11 square into 2 by 36 plus 12 square into 1 by 36 minus mu square. Mu square value 7 square. That equal to 4 by 36 plus 3 square 9, 9 into 2, 18 by 36, 4 square 16 into 3, 48 by 36, next 5 square 25, so on, 11 square 121 into 2, 242 by 36 plus 144 by 36 minus 49 and simplify it, we get the variance of the random variable. Variance of the random variable. Once again, here random variable capital X is defined as sum of the numbers on the faces when 2 dice are thrown. Then find its discrete probability distribution, mean, variance. 2 dice are thrown, then the sample space S consists of 36 elements like 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, so on 6, 6. Here X assigns the sum of the numbers on the faces. Sum of the numbers on the faces means, for example, first element the sum is 2 and here 3 and here 4 and lastly 12. So X, the range of X is 2, 3, 4, so on 12. For 2, its probability is only one case. out of 36, 1 comma 1, so 1 by 36. For 3, for maximum 3, so for sum 2, the number of favorable cases are 2, 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 1, so 2 by 36. For sum 4, 1 comma 3, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 1, 3 by 30. Similarly, we can calculate sum 5, sum 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. For 11, the favorable cases are 6 comma 5 and 5 comma 6. So for 11, probability is 2 by 36. For 12, the favorable cases are only 1 out of 36. Its case is 6 comma 6. So 1 by 36. So construct the table for discrete probable distribution. It consists of 2 rows. First row is range of x values. Second row is its corresponding probabilities. Here x values 2 to 12. P of x values 1 by 36, 2 by 36, 3 by 36, so on 1 by 36. Here observe the all probabilities. Each probability is positive and sum of the probabilities is equal to 1. Check it. The next one, coming to the mean. Mean mu equal to E of x is equal to sigma xi into P of xi. Each element into its corresponding probability. And addition. That is 7. Next, variance is sigma square equal to E of x square minus mu square. E of x means first moment of the random variable. E of x square means second moment of the random variable. Generally, variance is second moment minus first moment whole square. So, this is sigma xi square into P of x. This is the value of E of x square. E of x means sigma xi into P of xi. E of x square is sigma xi square into P of xi. Xi square means like 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. 2 square into 1 by 36 plus 3 square into 2 by 36 plus 4 square into 3 by 36, so on. 11 square into 2 by 36 plus 12 square into 1 by 36 minus its mean. Mean is 7 square. And simplify it, we get the variance of the random variable. Similarly, a random variable capital X is defined as the maximum of its numbers. Another problem, maximum of its numbers. When 2 dice are thrown, then find its discrete probable distribution, mean and variance. Here the assignment is sum of the numbers on the faces. Sum of the numbers on the faces. And in last class problem, the assignment is minimum of its numbers. Minimum of its numbers. In that case, the range of x is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is already completed in last class. And another problem is maximum of its numbers. In that case also, S is as usual 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, so on 6, 6. Sum of the numbers on the faces, minimum of its numbers and maximum of its numbers. In all the cases, S is 36 elements. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, so on 6, 6. In sum of the numbers on the faces, the range of x is 2, 3, 4 and so on 12. Then calculate probability at 2, 3, 4, so on 12. Then construct the discrete probable distribution, mean, variance like this. In minimum of its numbers, the range of x is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. This is already completed in last class. In maximum of its numbers, the range of x is also same thing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on 6. 6 elements. In minimum or in maximum cases, the range of x is 6 elements. But some of the numbers on the faces, the range of x is 2, 3, 4 and so on 12. In maximum case, P of x equal to 1 is only one maximum. 1 comma 1. In 1 comma 1 only one maximum. In remaining cases 1 is minimum. Next, P of x equal to 2 maximum. 1 comma 2. Here 2 maximum. 1 comma 2 maximum. 2 comma 1 2 maximum. 2 comma 2 maximum. 1 comma in 1 comma 2 maximum. 2 comma 1 2 maximum, 2 comma 2 maximum. In remaining cases, it's minimum. So it is 3 by 36. Next, for 3 maximum, P of x equal to 3. 3 maximum means 1 comma 3. In 1 comma 3, 3 maximum. 2 comma 3, 3 maximum. 3 comma 1, 3 maximum. 3 comma 2, 3 maximum. 3 comma 3. So 5 by 36. 5 by 36. P of x equal to 4. 7 by 36. 7 by 4. 4 maximum means 1 comma 4, 2 comma 4, 3 comma 4, 4 comma 1, 4 comma 2, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 4. For 5 maximum, 9 by 36. 9 by 36. That is 1 comma 5, 2 comma 5, 3 comma 5, 4 comma 5, 5 comma 1, 5 comma 2, 5 comma 3, 5 comma 4, 5 comma 5. Next, for 6 maximum, 1 comma 6, 2 comma 6, 3 comma 6, 4 comma 6, 5 comma 6. Next, 6 comma 1, 6 comma 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, 6 6. 11 by 36. Then construct the discrete probability distribution, its mean and variance. We have three different models when two dice are thrown. In all the cases, first we construct the discrete distribution, mean, variance. In maximum case, P of x equal 1 is 1 by 36, 2 is 3 by 36, 3 is 5 by 36, 4 7 by 36, 5 9 by 36, 6 11 by 36. In minimum case, minimum of its numbers, in minimum case, P of x equal to 1 is reverse process when compared with maximum case. P of x equal 1 is 11 by 36. P of x equal 2 is 9 by 36. P of x equal 3 is 7 by 36. Reverse manner. This is maximum, then reverse manner it is minimum. Both maximum and minimum both are opposite to each other. So that is the minimum case and in both the cases, first we construct the range of x, next corresponding probabilities, then discrete probability distribution table, its mean and variance. This is the maximum case, previous class is minimum case, and this case is sum of the numbers on the faces. Sum of the numbers on the faces, here the range of x is 2, 3, 4, so on 12. Then calculate P of x equal to 2, P of x equal to 3, 4 and so on 12 by using the probability concept. Then calculate its mean and variance. All three problems are very important. All three problems are related to two dice are thrown at a time or simultaneously. The models are sum of the numbers on the faces, minimum of its numbers, maximum of its numbers. In this case, maximum and minimum both are quite opposite to each other. And third one is different model, sum of the numbers on the faces. In all the cases, construct the discrete probability distribution, mean and variance. All three are very important problems. Now the next problem is find the mean and variance of the uniform probability distribution given by f of x equal to 1 by n. For x equal to 1, 2, 3, so on n. Yes. Only calculate mean and variance of this distribution. Here the distribution is, in this case, the distribution is, the probability distribution is, the probability distribution is x varies from 1, 2, 3, so on n. Its corresponding probabilities is f of x, either p of x or f of x. In all the cases, f of x value 1 by n, 1 by n, 1 by n, and at n also 1 by n. That is the uniform probability distribution. Uniform probability distribution. The probability distribution is x equal to 1, 2, 3, so on n. Its probabilities are 1 by n, 1 by n, 1 by n. That is the probability distribution for the uniform probability. Next, its mean is, first bit, mean mean mu equal to or E of x is equal to, what is the formula for mean? Sigma xi into P of xi. Xi means 1, 2, 3, so on n. F of xi, not P of xi. That is equal to 1 into 1 by n plus 2 into 1 by n plus 3 into 1 by n, so on, plus n into 1 by n. That equal to 1 by n is the common factor, the remaining 1 plus 2 plus 3, so on, n. 1, 2, 3, so on plus n means sum of the first n integers. We know this formula, that equal 1 by n into n plus 1 by 2. That is the sum of the first n integers. Here that is equal to total value n plus 1 by 2. N plus 1 by 2. Mean mu equal to E of x is equal to sigma xi into f of xi. That's values are 1 into 1 by n plus 2 into 1 by n plus 3 into 1 by n, so on, plus n into 1 by n. That equal 1 by n into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus on n. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus on n is sum of the first n integers, that is n into n plus 1 by 2. Then simplification value n plus 1 by 2. Then second bit, variance. Variance, sigma square is E of x square minus mu square. E of x square minus mu square. E of x square means sigma xi square into f of xi minus mu square. That equal to 1 square into 1 by n plus 2 square into 1 by n plus 3 square into 1 by n, so on, plus n square into 1 by n minus mu square. Mu square value n plus 1 by 2 whole square. Here 1 by n is the common value, then remaining 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, so on, plus n square minus n plus 1 by 2 whole square. That equal to 1 by n into sum of squares of first n integers, that is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6, sum of squares of first n integers, minus n plus 1 by n plus 1 whole square by 4. Here n cancel. Then here which is the common value? N plus 1. N plus 1 is the common value. Remaining 2n plus 1 by 6 minus n plus 1 by 4. And simplify. LCM is 12. So it is n plus 1, it is 4n plus 4 minus 4n plus 2, and here 3 minus 3n minus 3 by 12. Its value is equal to, then its value is n plus 1 into n minus 1 by 12. That equal to n square minus 1 by 12. That is the variance of the uniform probability distribution. The question is, find the mean and variance of the uniform probability distribution given by f of x equal 1 by n for x equal to 1, 2, 3, so on n. Here the distribution is x varies from 1 to n, then f of x is 1 by n, 1 by n, n by n. So it is called uniform probability distribution. Then mean mu equal to E of x equal to sigma xi into f of xi. Instead of p, here f is there. That is the difference. That is 1 by n into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus n. That is the sum of the first n integers. Its formula is n plus 1 by n into n plus 1 by 2. Then its simplification value n plus 1 by 2. Then variance is sigma square equal to E of x square minus mu square, that equals sigma xi square into f of xi minus mu square. Xi square means 1 square into 1 by n plus 2 square into 1 by n plus 3 square into 1 by n, so on n square into 1 by n minus mu square n plus 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by n is the common value, remaining 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square so on plus n square. This one represents the sum of squares of first n integers. Its formula is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Simplify, we get the variance of the uniform probability distribution. Its value is n square minus 1 by 12. How to simplify? Take the common factor, that is n plus 1, and take the LCM in between 2n plus 1 by 6 minus n plus 1 by 4. Then simplify, we get the variance of the distribution n square minus 1 by 12. That is the mean and variance of the uniform probability distribution. Here also first we construct the distribution table, then calculate its mean and variance. So what about standard deviation of this random variable? Root of n square minus 1 by 12. Root of variance. Root of positive square root of variance is called standard deviation of the random variable. Whatever is the random variable, either discrete or continuous, its standard deviation is positive square root of variance. Positive square root of variance. Then coming to the next column, calculate the expectation and variance of the distribution. Next column, calculate expectation means mean, and variance. Calculate expectation and variance of X, comma, if the probability distribution, if the probability distribution of the random variable X is given by x values minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Its probability is f 0.3, 0.1, 0.1, 0.3, 0.2. Calculate the expectation or mean and variance of the random variable X. If the probability distribution of the random variable X is given by x values varies from minus 1 to 3, f values or p values 0.3, 0.1, 0.1, 0.3, 0.2. Already distribution table is given, so directly we can calculate the expectation and variance of the distribution. Coming to the first one, expectation, mathematical expectation or mean. Mu is equal to, or its symbol is E of x is equal to, this E of x represents expectation of random variable, that is equal to sigma xi into p of xi, that equal to minus 1 into 0.3 plus 0 into 0.1 plus 1 into 0.1 plus 2 into 0.3 plus 3 into 0.2. Then its value is minus 0.3 plus 0.1 plus 0.6 plus 0.6, 0.6, 0.6, 1.2, 1.3 minus 0.3. So its value is 1. Mean mu equal to 1. Then coming to the second one, variance. Sigma square equal to E of x square minus mu square, that equal to sigma xi square into p of xi minus mu square value 1 square, that equal to minus 1 whole square into 0.3 plus 0 square into 0.1 plus 1 square into 0.1 plus 2 square into 0.3 plus 3 square into 0.2 minus 1. Its value is 0.3, 0.1, 0.3 into 4, 1.2, 3 square 9, 9 into 0.2, 1.8 minus 1, its value is 2.4. This is the variance of the given probability distribution. Expectation is mu equal to E of x is equal to sigma xi into P of xi. Then variance is E of x square minus mu square. Then its value is 2.4. Correct?